What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to create a logo without downloading anything, because the software that we are going to use is online and all you have to do is make sure to follow everything step by step. Before we continue with the video, I want to share with you keysfan.com. Keysfan offers cheap and legal software keys which are 100% official. They have 24/7 customer service and lifetime after sales. Now they are offering 50% off on all their products, so you can use the discount code VDI50. It's an excellent opportunity to renew the operating system and to improve your device performance and security. Links will be in the video description, you can go and check them out. So let's get started. The first step that you're going to make is to open your browser and you are going to search for Canva. Click on the first search result, or you can find the link of this website in the video description. After clicking the link, you'll go to the official Canva website, and here if you have an account you will log in, or if you don't have one you are going to create a new one. So click on sign up and you will have to create a new account, enter your email and your password. Or you can choose to continue with Google and Google will create a new account for you. So after creating your account, here we are on Canva, and here we have some materials that we can use. So let's continue to create our logo. What you will have to do is to create a new design. Click on create a design and search for logo. Click on the first one, which is logo. So let's take a short beginner course, and the first thing that we can do is to add text. Click on the little text icon, and here go on the logo layout, and you can double click on it and it will become blue, and you can type on it. You can type anything you want, hello or anything else. Then you can go to photos and you can add a background photo, or you can go to background and you can add any background that you need. Here you have some free stuff that you can use, or if you want you can upgrade to Pro and you can use the Pro version of Canva, which has a lot of materials that you can use. So you can change your backgrounds like you need them. So every time that I work with logos or every design, I go to the internet and I search for the most favorite colors, the colors that are used the most. For tech logo is blue, white and black. So now let's continue to create our logo. So go to templates again, and we are going to search for the template for our logo. So we found something by searching shop. So this is the one that we are going to use. It's pretty basic, but we need to change some things on it. So first search for a background. We need to add the black background on it. The black background is added. That's how you add the black background. Then we change the market color to white, and let's fix the text. Double click on it and change it to your business name. For me is Get Your Tech. By the way, I launched this website. You can go and buy some stuff there. There are some cool tech stuff over there. So we can choose the text format. So that text format looks better. So let's make it bigger, drag it. So let's add some backtest. Online shop, Get Your Tech online shop, and Summer Electronics. Let's change the badge color. We are going to change it to blue. Click on it, click on color, and then select blue. This one is better. Drag it to the middle. So now it looks cool. The logo is now finished, and what we need to do is to export it. So to download the logo, you have to click on share and then click on download and select PNG suggested. That's the best file format that you can download, and here you can choose the resolution and everything else, but you need Canva Pro for that. And you can try Canva for free for 1 month. So then click on download. After selecting those, Click on download and the download should start. As you can see, the file is now downloaded. Then you can import it to your website, to your business. So this is how you can create a logo with Canva. Hope it helped you. If you need any help, make sure to leave a comment and I will do my best to help you. Also, you can join the Discord server, the link will be in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can catch you on the next video. Peace out.